my name is Beatrice Quaison. I come from Tahiti, French Polynesia, and I've been living here for more than 10 years now. I created a dance fitness program called Tahiti Dance Fitness, and I brought Tahitian dance and culture to Singapore by opening my own dance school. The difference between Tahitian dance and Hawaiian hula, I would say that Hawaiian hula maybe is more like Tai Chi, slower pace, and Tahitian dance more like Kung Fu, which has fast dynamic moves and slow pace at the same time. What I really wanted to create is a community where women feel empowered and support each other. There's some lifelong friendships that blossom. Students are gathering, helping each other outside the school. You know, I've been so blessed these last 10 years to teach and welcome amazing women, children from different backgrounds, different nationalities in Singapore.